What it do is good YouTube, is we're back with another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a mukbang. Plus we're going to be doing a little get to know me better video. So let's get right into the video. I got these questions off of the internet. So yeah. Oh, I forgot to say what we're eating. So we're eating biryani with butter chicken and okras. So the first question is, what is your full name? My full name is Ali Rizai. How old are you? I am 20 years old. What's your zodiac sign? I'm a Taurus. So I was born on May 2nd. What's your height? My height is 5'9.5". On a good day, I can be 5'10". Sorry if you guys can hear like background noise. I chose to eat outside because it's like a beautiful day outside. So yeah, and plus it's like a picnicky vibe. Where are you from? / where do you currently live? I am originally from Afghanistan. Where do I live? I live in beautiful Canada. Next question is, are you a student? I am a college student, yes. I'm studying to become a diesel equipment technician. So pretty much a diesel mechanic, but for heavier equipment, such as like construction vehicles, farm equipment and vehicles, semi-trucks, and trailers, tractors, trailers, etc. So anything that is very, very heavy, I work on those. And I can also work on like cars that we see like every single day driving around and stuff, so I can work on those also. Next question is, what do you want to do with your life? To be honest, I don't really know. My life is all in God's hands, so I'm not sure. Next question is, what's the favorite thing about the place you live in? To be honest, the view. The view is absolutely beautiful. Especially like in the summertime and the wintertime. It's like a totally different country in like the wintertime, opposed to like the summertime and stuff. So I think that's like the favorite thing about the place I live in. Okay, so the next question is, what is your favorite color? I like blue, like sky blue. Like, I don't know if the camera can do any like justice on that kind of blue right there, but that's like my favorite kind of blue. Or like cyan. Cyan's pretty dope. What is my favorite movie? Oh, I have a lot of favorite movies. But to list a few movies of my favorite, or my favorite movies. First favorite would be Fast and the Furious. I'm a car guy, so and second movie would probably be like the Avengers series. I'm a big action guy, so I like a lot of action. So I think those, and then maybe like Marvel or something. This is so good. um Sorry if like the camera is like a bit funky, or I'm sorry if like the camera isn't like adjusting to like the food or whatever. um I'm currently filming on like an iPhone, and so once I get like enough money, hopefully I'll buy myself like a camera. A decent camera. And for those who are like wondering, this is like bread or like naan. So yeah. So look at this bite right here, guys. Oh my god. But my city that I've been living, my city that I live in, has been like raining for like the past 2 to 3 days, and now it's like very sunny. And so I'm like, yo, why not just like film a mukbang outside, you know? I don't have any more questions. Those are like the only ones I found pretty interesting. The other ones were like, what is your favorite food? Where do you see yourself in like 5 to 10 years and stuff? So I don't want to get like too deep into like this video. But my favorite food is like pizza or like sushi. Sushi's pretty nice. So I haven't seen anyone else do this that I'm aware of. So I think I might be like the first to do like a mukbang and a little get to know me. Normally people do like a sit down video, but I just wanted to like spice things up a little, you know. Boys, this is a lot of food, boys and girls. But I absolutely went ham. So was it enough food? I'm not sure. Do you guys like the new intro or whatever it's called, like the what to do was good YouTube? Or do you guys like, hey, what's up guys, my name is Ali, we're gonna be eating today? And I'm sorry for not like posting on the Friday. I was pretty busy doing like schoolwork and stuff, so I apologize for that. But I will try and post every single day. I will try. And I'm also sipping on water because health is wealth 2021, you know. We gotta get on that health grind. Look at that, boys. Holy. Excuse me. Oh, look at that. That's like a freaking clean plate. Holy. Anyways, I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video. So apologies. If you did like this video, subscribe, comment down below what I should do next, and have yourselves a blessed Sunday morning, afternoon, night, whatever. But be happy, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.